So everybody's here today to play a round of golf, which is sponsored by Stella. This event is mainly involving our external and some internal stakeholders, where we are trying to continue building great relationship with all our providers and stakeholders, just to continue driving good reputation.
Well, first of all, I want to give compliments to Eswatini Beverages for an outstanding golf event. It was Stella, which means so exciting. The turnout has been amazing. The weather was favorable, albeit the course playing very difficult, but I'm sure that the outcome will be pleasant to the sponsor.
Yes! Yes!
So I think it's important to invite our external stakeholders also just to drive that engagement, to continue that open network channel, and to see how best we can collaborate going forward, because we do want to build a future with more cheers.
Well, unfortunately, the MD visited our four-ball. She can attest that we had a very lively four-ball. I was playing with Vusi Damini Futis. He was my partner. We played very, very well. We carried about 8 birdies, and so the game was fantastic. The camaraderie, the fellowship, the engagement, the discussion on business matters, and it also gave us an opportunity to get to know the country MD a little bit better, because every now and then we interacted with her.
The overall golf experience today was amazing. I think the weather played on our side, not too hot, not too cold, and the turnout was very, very good, almost 100% turnout from all our stakeholders.
These kinds of activities are never a waste of resources. I see them as an investment. They promote team spirit within the organization, and they also demonstrate that Eswatini is a destiny for investors. So by doing such, we are telling even the external community that come to Eswatini, you'll be most welcome, and there are some sporting activities that will help you even accelerate your business reach and your business promotion.
And I think everybody thoroughly enjoyed themselves. As you can see, we're all still in communication and conversing around the golf day today. So everybody was super happy.
Today's game was exceptional. In fact, it was very competitive, and I believe that the best team won. We complemented each other. Her strengths were my weaknesses, and my weaknesses were her strength. The course that we played in, it was well done, complementary to Royal Swazi. They did well. The Stella competition was well organized, exceptional in all aspects. We truly enjoyed. We are now socializing, having fun, engaging with different people from different companies.
I just want to say thank you to everybody that turned up and showed up and continued that open engagement with us, and I'm definitely positive that we'll keep this going on in the near future, and I'm super happy about the turnout today.